Hi guys, it's Joe here at Jordan Bikes and Leeds and welcome to the video of this lovely 2019 19 plate BMW S1000XR Sport SE. Cracking bike is this one. It's only done 3,014 miles, so super low miles, and it comes with nice bits on it as well. So from factory you get heated grips, you get 4 different power modes, which is rain, road, dynamic and dynamic pro. You get cruise control, you get ABS, you get traction control in your power mode, you get electronic adjustable suspension, you get a quick shifter, you get an auto blipper, you get a real piece of kit, honestly. They're fantastic. I've actually owned one of these in triple black as well, which is like this one. And they're a fantastic bike. You use the same engine that's in the S1000R, so 160 brake horsepower. You get a centre stand for easy maintenance. This one's got a Givi top box. It's got a BMW tank pad. It's got an adjustable screen. It's also got the BMW Nav 6 as well, which is about £500 or £600. And it's got the aftermarket exhaust, which sounds fantastic. Anyway, you've seen the bike. If you want to get it bought, get yourself down to Jordan Bikes or just simply give us a call. Thank you very much.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.